Come on, mate. Come again. He's right here, eh? He's hang on, he's going to have another crack. I'm surprised I still got him, eh? Oh, fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Oh, it's a jumper! Ah! Ah! Oh, I got that bit on film anyway. Just be careful, eh? Alright, I'll just try and straighten up and we'll bring him back. Does anyone want it? You want him, Roy? There you go. Leave that drag, don't mess with that drag. Alright, because he's a jumper. Yeah, fuck yeah. Try and straighten yourself up on him, yeah. Give it another quarter of a turn. Yeah, he's getting a bit far away from us now. And try and straighten up and get him get him towing you. Alright, fuck yeah.
How good's this?
Go for a ride, son. So by the time we get him back,
He'll be drained,
no, he's going to start to wear out. He's done a few jumps, but we just want him swimming with a couple of metres of water, and then I'll come in and leader him, okay? A couple of metres of leader, I mean. Keep him over the front. Royston Wood on the Sailfish, woo! Seems like a good hookup. Look at him go, man. Yeah, that's it. Keep that low when he's getting close, but he's probably going to jump again, eh? That's why we don't want too much drag on him. Maybe loosen that up a little bit again. Oh, he's right there. Okay. I'm going to come in that side. Nice, mate. He's not a huge one, but he's... Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, yeah. I'll grab that leader if I can. Oh, come here, come. And when I do, if you can sort that leader out again. Hang on. He's just fucking swimming away from me a little. You're good. Fuck, little fucker. Oh, beautiful fish, mate. Oh, I still can't get there. Can you grab my paddle? Grab my paddle. Pull me in. Alright. All good? Yeah.
Nice, Dave. Nice, brother. He sunk that all the way.
Yeah, we're just going to cut it off.
He's gorgeous.
Look at that, Roy.
Look at that.
Oh, mate. Huh?
Congrats, bud.
Hey.
Congratulations.
That's you, buddy. Team effort.
How good is that?
Woo. Yeah, I'm just nipping him off there. He'll spit them out later.
Yeah. Sick, Dave. Sick.
That fucking leader. Fucking how's that? Woo! Cash can get a bit of that with that. Just gonna get that tail up. Woo! Come around. Now can you come in and grab me and we'll swim him. If you can grab the front of me. But Cassie's got the pedal, so we'll swim him, get him going again.
What a shot.
Go baby, yeah, nice. Later, Sail. Just keep going. We're getting a little bit further. Yeah, you get there. He's swimming. Can you see him there?
Yeah, good.
Fucking hell,
How fucking cool is that? I wasn't expecting that today, Dave.
A day from the ages, mate.
Hey, how good. Is that your second one?
Oh no, that's about to be sixth one.
Sixth one?
Yeah, yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah, it's good, eh?
I've got a bit knocked as well. Yeah, I got a bit knocked and then you were right.
He had that leader in his mouth.
Oh yeah, he sunk that. Yeah.
That abrasion is good for the amount of fucking jumps that he did.
Oh, how cool is that?
That's 30 pound, less than half a millimetre, that fucking leader. And we had him up within 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm sure.
Mate, that was,
Fuck yeah.
that was dancing.
It was, eh? I got the second lot of jumps, which was so cool, coming right around me. Yeah. Mate, I was trying to wind the slack back up. He was up next to Roy and my line was still fucking behind me. Yeah, it's crazy. Thanks, mate.
That was sick.
Trent spotted it too. He said, hey, something's having a go at that. And I said, I felt a little heavy, like it was almost like I was towing him, you know. And then I felt a little nibble. And then it was jump on.